Back in the game, understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, back in the game. This is a common expression used in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it. Back in the game is an idiomatic expression in English. This phrase is often used to describe someone who has returned to a position where they can be successful or competitive again, especially after a period of absence or disadvantage. It's frequently used in the context of sports, but can be applied to many areas of life such as business, personal relationships, or any kind of competition. The origins of back in the game are rooted in sports. It implies that a player or team, who might have been out of form or injured, is now ready to compete again. Over time, this expression has transcended the sports arena and is now used more broadly. When you use back in the game, it's usually in situations where there's a sense of recovery or return to form. For example, after a tough year, the company is back in the game with its new product line. Following his injury, the tennis star is finally back in the game. One common mistake learners make is using back in the game in the wrong context. Remember, it's about returning to a competitive or successful position. It's not used for someone who is just starting or for situations that don't involve competition or challenge. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, back in the game. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.